Hello students, I hope you all are doing fine. In today's class, we will see the book bag exercise for Standard 2 in English, Chapter 2. So let us start. I have written here only the answers for you. You can refer to your book if you have already got. So in your first one, it is given answer the following questions. Where did the cock sit is your first question. So I have written here directly only the answers. For your first question, the correct answer is the cock sat in a tree. And your second question, the answer is the fox thought to kill and eat up the cock. And third answer, the fox told the cock that God has commanded not to kill one another. Next, for your fourth one, the answer is no, the fox did not speak the truth. Fifth one, the cock was wise. Sixth answer, the wise cock crowed aloud happily because he was not fooled by the fox. These are the answers for your questions. You can refer to the question and write the answers from the board given. And for your B, it is given fill in the blanks. Here also I have not written the question, I have already only written the answer. So for your first fill up, the answer is hungry. Second, truth. Third one, dogs. Fourth one, turned. Fifth one, wise. Then sixth one, wisdom. Next, in your C, it is in C, it is given true or false. Then first one is true, second false, third one false, fourth one false, and the last one true. And next you have make sentences. In your book it is given. Here I have given the answers already. If you want, you can make your own sentences. If you want, you can copy from my sentence. There's no problem. So the first one is given as hungry. You can make your own sentence. You can write as I am hungry, or she is hungry, he is hungry. Here I have taken the sentence from your book itself. The fox was hungry. Otherwise you can write the fox is hungry. Anything. Then second, the fox thought to coax the cock. Here coax means to give pressure. Giving pressure to someone. So here I have taken the sentence from your book only. Then third one, perhaps is the word given. You have to make sentence from this. So I have given you perhaps you are crying. Perhaps means you are supposing someone is doing that thing. You suppose. So perhaps you are crying. You can give your own. Perhaps you are eating. Perhaps you are playing. Anything you can write. Then next fourth one is noticed. Noticed means observing. You are noticing someone what they are doing. So you can make your own sentence. I have given here. I noticed him fighting with others. Notice means here observing. You notice the person or you notice something. With it you have to make sentence. Then last one is crowed. Crowed means a sound. Here the cock crowed aloud happily. I have taken this from your book only. Next, coming to page number 12, you have in your book suffix. What is suffix? You must be not knowing what is suffix. So today I will explain to you what this suffix means. A suffix is a letter or group of letters. It is a letter or group of letters added at the end of a word which makes a new word. This suffix is a word. You can take an example for a word home. This is a word, and with this word we are going to add another word that makes a new word. A home plus less. This is one word, this is another word. This is the suffix. So it becomes a new word as homeless. At the end of this word, you have to add another word that is called suffix. Here example, home plus less, homeless. This is the new word Year plus ly. If you add year with ly, it becomes yearly. This is the new word formed. Dark plus en, if you add darken, this is the new word form. So like this, in your equation, it is given ly, en, less. Some words are given in the box in your book. From that box, you have to choose the suffix word and you have to form a new word. So I'll do two examples for you. Here in ly, in your first, it is given day. So you have to make another new word from this word, day. So daily, daily. Then another you can use as bed. In your book it is given bed, bad. Another word means ly, you have to add badly. Then for en, you have to form, at the last you have to add en. In your book it is given wood. Wood is given in your book. So after this writing wood, you add last en. It becomes wooden. Then next, gold. If you add en here, it becomes golden. This is the another new word formed. Like this, less, less. In your book it is given hope. Hope is given. With this hope, at the end of this word you have to use less. If you add, it becomes hopeless. This is the another new word. Then next you have sense. Sense is given in your book. If you add less at the end, you have senseless. So two examples I have given for you, and the another two dashes you have to make it yourself from the word given in your book. Next, in the same page you have nouns. You must all have known about what is noun in your class 1. So again let me remind you what is noun. Noun, it is naming words. They are called naming words, something that you name it, that you tell about it. Name of a person, you talk about a person, you name a person, who, she, it and all. Then place, about a place, about an animal or about a thing. This is called a noun. Example, Ram. Ram is a person name, so it is a noun. Delhi. Delhi, it is a name of a place. Then animal, tiger. Then things, book. You can make sentence also. I am Ram. Here, what is the noun? Ram. It is a name of a person. So Ram is the noun. Like that, in your F question, it is given you have to encircle nouns. Means encircle means what? You have to put a circle on noun words. I love my India. So in this sentence, which is the noun, you have to encircle it. I love my India. So here, India is the noun. India, it is a place name, means country name, India. So India is the noun here. Next, Simran was born in April. So here, Simran is the noun. It is a name of a person, girl. Next, Raju is a good player. In this sentence, Raju is the noun word. Raju, name of a person. Next, the earth is round. Here, the earth is the noun word. With this earth, here die is there. This, it is a universal truth that the earth is one and only one. There is no other earth. So it comes as the earth. Okay, the earth is round. The earth is the noun word here. In the same way, 5 to 10 you have to do as your homework. Next, coming to page number 13, you have in your J, match the following. There are some animal words given, some animals name and their description, how that animal is. So here I have given the direct answer. You can follow from my answer and you can write as like this, or else you can do cross marking. For your first one, D is the correct answer, 2, C is the correct answer, 3, A, 4, B, 5, G, 6, E, 7, H, 8, F. These are the another side given one. So you have to match it like this. So I hope you all understood the book bag exercises, and I request you to revise this lesson and revise the first poem also along with book bag exercises.